Hey, student, how are you? Welcome to our session on absolute value graph. Y equals the absolute value of X. I'm going to graph using a table of values. I'm going to substitute -3 into the absolute value of X. We get the absolute value of -3. Absolute value of -3 is 3. And we get the first point on our graph. -3, comma 3. -3 to the left, up 3. And there's our first point. Substituting -2 into our absolute value of -2 is +2. Then we get the second point on our graph, -2, up 2. And we'll continue substituting our X values in to our absolute value equation to find the Y values. Absolute value of 0 is 0. Absolute value of +1 is +1. And we'll graph these points. -1, comma 1, 0, comma 0, +1, comma 1, +2, comma 2, +3, comma 3. And we'll connect these points, and we get our absolute value graph. The shape of this absolute value, we have a V-shaped graph. We'll take a look at some key features. We have our vertex, the point of our V. The vertex, the point of our V. And the vertex for our function here is 0, comma 0. We would also describe this absolute value graph as opening up. Opens up. And of course, we have our axis of symmetry. This vertical line that cuts the graph in half. Axis of symmetry. And our axis of symmetry is x equals 0. And that concludes our session on the absolute value graph, y equals the absolute value of x. Thanks so much for joining our session, and I'll see you next time.